And for the third question, it says the coefficient of x to the 7 in the expansion of px squared plus 4x over p to the power 5 is 1280. It says find the value of the constant p. Right? So for us to get the coefficient of x to the 7, we have to choose a certain number from 5, right? But we don't know that number yet, so we're going to try and make an equation out of that, because we know if we have, for example, x plus 2 being raised to the power 4, and we're asked to find the coefficient of x squared, we say 4 choose 2, and x to the 2 to the 4 minus 2, which is 2, right? So we're going to choose a number that we don't know yet from 5 for this one, right? And so in doing that, we'll say 5 choose, let's call it r, right? Then we write px squared is being raised to the r, then 4x over p is being raised to 5 minus r. 5 minus r, like this, right? So we know that the power on x should be 7, and if we look at this, we're saying this is x being raised to the power 2 times r, right? So that's 2r, right, for this, for the power of this x. And for this one, it's x being raised to the power 5 minus r. So we take the power, it's 5 minus r, then we add the 2, so it's 2r plus 5 minus r, right? So then this should give us what? This should give us 7. The total of the powers should be 7. So 2r minus r, that's r, plus 5 is equals to 7. Then we get our r being equal to 7 minus 5, which is 2. Now we know that if we say 5 choose 2, 5 choose 2, we'll get a term with x to the 7, right? So it will be this, then our px squared to the power 2 being multiplied by 4x over p to the power 5 minus 2, that's 3, right? So 5 choose 2, 5 choose 2, that's our 10 multiplied by 4 to the power 3, so we get 640 p squared for this part, right? Then x to the power 7 over p to the power 3, right? This is our term in x to the power 7, and the coefficient for x to the 7 is this, right? That's the coefficient for x to the power 7, and you are told in the equation that the coefficient of x to the 7 in the expansion, that is 1280. So we're just going to say 640 p squared over p cubed is equals to 1280, right? So p squared, simplifying this is 1, then we're left with p in the denominator there. So it will be 640 over p equals 1280. Cross multiplying, we get 640 equals to 1280 p, right? And our p will be 640 over 1280 if we divide by 1280 both sides, and this will give us half, right? So our p is equals to 0.5 or 1/2, right?